Oh, hello there. Thank you for stopping by. I was speaking with a friend of mine just now about what we were going to do for today's show. And actually, I've had a lot of requests from across the land, from a lot of my viewers, on how to cook the perfect bacon. Well, actually, I've developed a process which is just fantastic. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. Now, obviously, we're not going to be cooking bacon in the bathroom. Of course not. I just came in here because this is where I keep the camera. But anyway, come with me and we will show you how to make the bacon. So if you would, just follow me this way and we'll head to the kitchen and get started.
The process itself is actually quite simple. Of course, you'll need bacon, a cookie sheet, and some tin foil or aluminum foil. Place the aluminum foil on the cookie sheet. The next step, and possibly most important step in this process, is the bacon itself. Place the bacon on the aluminum foil on the cookie sheet. Set your oven on bake for 400 degrees and set your timer for 20 minutes. This is a crucial part of the process. Overcooked bacon can be extremely dangerous. Gently slide the bacon into the oven and relax, confident in the fact that you will soon be eating bacon. After the 20 minutes have passed, remove the bacon from the oven. If you followed these directions carefully, you should have a nice batch of moist and crispy bacon, cooked perfectly and evenly with very little cleanup. Doesn't that look delicious?
It's very clean, very quick, easy, requires very little attention. You can even do it while you're in bed, for the most part. Cooking bacon in bed.